Hello and welcome to our podcast featuring two college kids who are absolute geniuses in Geoscience 106. This show's purpose is to inform you on things you definitely never knew about but probably should. Today we're going to talk about Lahars.
Okay, Sonia, so what is a lahar?
Ryan, a lahar is a fast-moving volcanic mud flow created out of water and ash. Honestly, I just imagine myself taking a hike and all of a sudden seeing this come right at me, so be careful and watch out. Anyways, they originate from ash and water forming when snow exists on the top of a volcano. When the volcano erupts, the hot magma, lava, moves down the volcano, running into the snow, which is then melted, making water, and the magma is cooled, forming ash.
So as the lahar moves down the mountain, it's super fast. So people in the surrounding areas may have as little as 40 minutes warning time to get out. So basically, don't be at Costco when you know one is coming. Bad moves. So once lahar is detected, warnings are issued as the lahar is moving down the mountain, and that is the time to take proactive measures. Now, taking a look at what happens in the rivers, lahars have a chance to induce a great deal of havoc by depositing large amounts of sediment that can lead to chronic flooding.
The most common lahar in America is Mount Rainier in Washington.
DC?
No, the state. Anyways, a large lahar known as Case 1 occurs every 500 to 1,000 years. Case 1 in the image is the purple line and is the most destructive and stretches across the other two cases and further. A medium-sized lahar known as Case 2 occurs every 100 to 500 years and is the peach color line. It flows somewhat far, however, there is not as much lava in the volcano. A small lahar, known as Case 3, occurs every 1 to 100 years. Case 3 is the orange line and is very small. It barely stretches down the mountain.
So during a lahar, they crush or destroy most things in their path, including houses, buildings, and bridges. Buildings and any type of land has the potential to become completely buried. The scary part is that lahars have a potential to trap people in their houses or properties, which can be susceptible to other volcanic hazards. This is especially true if the lahars are too deep or hot to cross or move away from.
Another form of destruction caused by lahars is what happens to major cities and how their economy or accessibility is influenced. For example, lahars can destroy freeways, which impairs people driving, going to school, work, shopping, etc. It financially can harm the city, but detours others from going to the major cities if a freeway or interstate is shut down. Thank you, and come back for our next episode on how not to die from a flash flood.